our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the topic principles of persuasion. First of all, what is persuasion? Persuasion is nothing but one person trying to influence the other in order to change their own belief. So that is called persuasion. Now we are going to discuss about the principles of persuasion.
Friends will discuss about the principles of persuasion and definition of the persuasion. Now I am here to explain about the one of the principle, reciprocity. Actually, reciprocity is nothing but a mutual exchange of giving and receiving from individuals or the groups. Reciprocity is deeply ingrained in human and behavior and plays a significant role in building strong maintained relationships between individuals and the groups. It's not just about immediate exchange of goods. It's something, if the principle of reciprocity in psychology means that when someone gives us something, we feel compelled to something back in return to the person from where we receive. That's it.
I am going to talk about the principle of liking. This principle states that we are more likely to say yes to a request if we feel a connection to the person making it. So, according to this liking principle, we are more likely to be persuaded or get influenced by the people we like. So, basically, the more you like someone, the more likely you get persuaded, that is influenced.
Authority, it refers to a person's tendency to comply with people in position of authority, such as doctors, lawyers, etc. For example, Pepsodent. In Pepsodent advertisement, a doctor would come and tell about using the Pepsodent. It's an authority. So it is a method of persuading using an authority. Thank you.
Social proof is the psychological phenomenon where people assume the action of other in an attempt to reflect correct behavior for a given situation. It is like following the crowd because we believe the others knowing something we don't are following that they process more accurate information. Social proof plays a significant role in decision making, especially in ambiguous or uncertain situations. For example, you can see here is showing some rating. If you want to purchase mobile, clothes or anything, so you can go for online website or online apps like Amazon, Flipkart. After that, you will see the rating. People can decide buying the purchase any product with the rating. Some people give the good rating, some people give the bad rating. So this is the social proof. So thank you about this topic.
So here is the last principle, that is commitment and consistency. So here we can say that it involves encouraging the people and building on them. So here we can see that it commits on the loyalty of the customer so that they can give the right product and the right choice, so that they will be consistent with that product. So here we can see the example of the Snowflake, with giving a 30-day free trial. So he is committing a 30-day free trial to observe, and they can use and utilize it according to their needs. So thank you. So this is the principle of persuasion we are discussing about. Thank you.